How to turn on mono or balance audio on iPhone 8 Plus. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Under the Hearing section, tap Audio Visual. Here, you will find two useful audio settings, mono audio and balance. To turn on mono audio, simply switch on mono audio. Mono audio combines the left and right audio channels and plays the same sound through both sides of your headphones or speakers. You can also adjust the balance slider below it. By default, the slider is in the center, which provides an equal amount of audio from the left and right channels. If you move the slider to the left, more audio will come from the left side. If you move it to the right, more audio will come from the right side. When you're finished, simply leave the settings as you prefer. And that's how you can turn on mono audio and adjust the audio balance on an iPhone 8 Plus. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.